Solve the linear Diophantine equation of 70x plus 112y which is equal to 168 for all x belongs to z. Here the given equation is of the form ax plus by which is equal to c, where a is 70, b is 112 and c value is 168. Here we have to first find the GCD of a and b. Here a is 70 and b is 112. Here to find the GCD for the two value means we have to divide the greater value with the smaller value. Here we have to divide 112 by 70. Here the quotient is, here 70 into 1 is 70. Next step, we have to subtract 112 by 70, we get a value as 42. Next, this is a remainder. Next step, we have to divide the divisor value with the remainder value. So take like this. Here we have to divide 70 by 42. Next, we have to take a quotient value as 1. That is 42 into 1 is 42. We have to subtract 70 by 42. We get a value as 28. This is a remainder value. We have to divide this divisor value with the remainder value. Next step, we have to take like this. Here we get 28. Here we have 42. Here the quotient value is 1. Here next step, 28 into 1 is 28 itself. So we have to subtract 42 by 28. We get a value as 14. This is a remainder value. Next step, we have to divide this divisor value with the remainder value. We get like this. That is 14 into 2. We know that 14 into 2 is 28. So we subtract 28 by 28, we get a value as 0. So 0 is a remainder. So we have to stop the division method here. Therefore, we can conclude that the last non-zero remainder, that is 14, is a GCD. That is the GCD of 70 and 112 is 14. Once you obtain the GCD value, we have to verify that given condition, that is D divides C or not, holds. That is GCD of 70 and 112 is 14. That is D value. That is D value is 14 and C value is 168. We know that 14 divides 168. That is 168 divided by 14. We get a value as 12. Therefore, D divides C holds. Therefore, we can conclude that the given equation has a solution. Next step, we have to find the particular solution for the linear Diophantine equation 70x plus 112y which is equal to 168 with the help of division algorithm method. First apply division algorithm method for this fraction. We get as 112 which is equal to 70 into 1 plus 42, or we can take this as 42 which is equal to, take this value to the left hand side, that is 112 minus 70 into 1. Call this as equation number 1. Next, we have to apply division algorithm method for this value, that is 70 which is equal to 42 into 1 plus 28, or we can take this as 28 which is equal to 70 minus 42 into 1. Call this as equation number 2. Next step, apply division algorithm method for this fraction. We get as 42 which is equal to 28 into 1 plus 14, or we can take this as 14 is equal to 42 minus 28 into 1. Call this as equation number 3. Here no need to take division algorithm method for this value because the remainder is 0 here. Next step, take the equation number 3 and continue the procedure. Here from equation 3 we get as, that is equation 3 is 14 is equal to 42 minus 28 into 1. Next step, substituting from equation number 2, here 28 value we have to substitute. We get as 14 is equal to 42 minus, here 28 is nothing but 70 minus 42 into 1 into 1. Here multiply 1 inside the bracket. We get as 42 minus 70 into 1. Here minus 2 minus plus 42 into 1. Here we have 42 into 1 plus 42 into 1. We get a value as 42 into 2 minus 70 into 1 as it is. Next step, we have to substitute 42 value here from equation number 1. We get as, here 42 is nothing but 112 minus 70 into 1 into 2 as it is minus 70 into 1 as it is. Next step, multiply 2 inside the bracket. We get as 112 into 2 minus 70 into 2 minus 70 into 1. Here we have minus 70 into 2 minus 70 into 1. If we add that value, we get a 14 is equal to 112 into 2 minus 70 into 3. So we get an equation like this. Next step, we have to multiply throughout the equation by one value such that C value same as that of this value. So we have to multiply throughout the equation by 12. We get 14 into 12 as 168. Therefore, if we multiply value, we get as 14 into 12 which is equal to 112 into 2 into 12 minus 70 into 3 into 12. So multiply 12, we get as 14 into 12 is 168. In the right hand side, we have to multiply 12 for this 2 value and we have to multiply 12 for this 3 value, because to achieve an linear Diophantine equation of the form 70x plus 112y which is equal to 168. So if you multiply, we get a value as, here take this value first, that is 70 into, here multiply minus inside the bracket. We get as 12 into 3 as 36, that is 70 into minus 36 plus 112 into, here 2 into 12 is 24. So this is of the form 70x0 plus 112 y naught. Therefore, we can conclude that x naught value is minus 36 and y naught value is 24. So, this is the particular solution for the given linear Diophantine equation. Once you obtain the particular solution, next you have to find the general solution with the help of the formula, that is x is equal to x naught minus b by dm and y is equal to y naught plus a by dm, where m belongs to z, that is some integer. So, substitute x naught value, y naught value, a, b and GCD value here we get as, here x is equal to, here x naught is minus 36 minus b value is 112 divided by GCD value is 14 into m as it is. Similarly, y naught is equal to 24 plus a is 70 divided by GCD value is 14 into m. Next step, we know that 112 divided by 14 is 8. Here 70 divided by 14 is 5. Substituting that value we get as x is equal to minus 36 minus 8m and y is equal to 24 plus 5m. Therefore, finally we can conclude that x is equal to minus 8m minus 36 and y is equal to 5m plus 24 for all m belongs to z is the general solution for the given linear Diophantine equation. So, this is a procedure to find the solution, that is general solution for a linear Diophantine equation. The procedure is same for all the problems. This is very important step is, here we are multiplying throughout the equation by some value so that that value is same as that of the given equation C value. That is the very important step here. So, till here we studied definition, theorems and problems on linear Diophantine equation with the help of Euclid's algorithm. That is, with the help of finding greatest common divisor and division algorithm method, we are finding the solution for a linear Diophantine equation.